In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude home IP address in Google Analytics. If you check your own site frequently, your visits can inflate your traffic numbers. Excluding your home IP address helps keep your reports clean and accurate, so you can focus on real user behavior. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your Google Analytics account and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct property where you want to apply the change. Once you're in, look for the admin settings. You'll find this in the lower left corner, typically represented by a gear icon. Click that to open your property and data settings. Inside the admin area, select Data Collection. This is where Google organizes options related to what data comes into your property. Next, choose Data Filters. Filters let you include or exclude certain kinds of traffic before it reaches your reports, which is exactly what we want here. Now click Create Filter. You'll be prompted to pick a filter type. Choose Internal Traffic. This option is designed for blocking visits from your own devices or network so they don't skew your analytics. Give the filter a clear, memorable name like Home IP Exclusion. A concise name makes it easier to manage later if you add more filters. Then, set the condition to IP address equals. This tells Google Analytics to match exactly the address you provide and exclude it from your data. At this point, EHGA says this point you need your current public IP address. Open a new browser tab and search for PA, what's my IP address? You'll see a simple result with a number. This is your public IP. Copy it carefully. If you see a long address with colons, that's an IPv6 address. If it's shorter with dots, that's IPv4. Either is fine, just copy exactly what's shown. Make sure you're connected to your home network, not a VPN or mobile hotspot, so the value truly reflects your home IP. Return to Google Analytics and paste the address next to IP address equals. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your filter is now set. From this point forward, visits from your home IP will be excluded from reports. Keep in mind, filters aren't retroactive, they only affect new data. Also, if your home internet provider changes your IP from time to time, you may need to revisit this filter and update the address in the future. That's it. You've excluded your home IP in Google Analytics, helping ensure your data reflects its real visitors, not your own testing and browsing.